Hey dolls, so I am coming to show you dolls this glueless wig. Really, the wig is pretty much like a throw on and go, fresh out of the box type of wig. It did come curled. It did come with the lace already cut. And it's like a scallop cut, so it blends in really nicely. It came pre-plucked. And it also is just really easy to apply and go. So if y'all want to see me do this wig, then keep on watching. Let me just show y'all real quick. It's not glued down. If you can see the comb underneath the lace, it's really hard to actually see because the lace looks so good. But yeah, stay tuned for the video if y'all want to see me install Miss Girl, okay? Okay, dolls, so we have this wig, and this is from Asteria Hair. This is the box. I've been out of the loop for a while because all the boxes are like a shoe box these days. So I did get some wig caps in here. I got a melting band. I got an edge brush. And then I also got the satin bag that you can store your wig in. Really, really nice. So those are all the items that came in the box. So let's get into it. Okay, dolls, so this is how the wig looks. You can see the curl pattern and the lace. You can see the scallop detail in the lace and the transparency of it and everything like that, or the HDness. I will have the specs listed down below, but it does have an adjustable strap sewn on into the wig, and it does not have any combs in it at all, so really comfortable. And yeah, that's how the wig looks. So we're just gonna go in and pop her on and see what we can do with her. So yeah, the curls are really nice. They are kind of tight, but they will eventually drop a bit. But yeah, they are really pretty. So I'm just popping the wig on and seeing what it's giving. I was trying to see if I wanted to leave my baby hairs out still or what I wanted to do, and I decided that I wasn't going to do baby hairs with this look. So what I did decide to do is decided to go ahead and push my baby hairs back so that it can give that seamless kind of look. And I didn't want to cut off any additional lace. I would say that you can go in and cut it down a little bit more if you prefer to have less lace, but it does blend in really nicely with the amount of lace that is left there. So I was just showing you what it would look like if I were to do some baby hairs, but I decided not to, so I just pushed my baby hairs back. And now I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer just to make the lace match even better with my skin. Totally not necessary, but I feel like it does blend it in better. So yeah, I just put a little bit of makeup, and I didn't actually use any makeup in the parting area just to give it that natural look. I wasn't really trying to make it look like a wig or like the traditional type bust down. Just really natural, fresh out of the box. Put it on and go, if you will. So I used a little bit of edge control to kind of slick the hair back off of the hairline just to make it look a little bit more polished. And since I didn't want to use any hot tools or flat irons or hot combs or anything like that, I just used a little bit of water in a spray bottle to just lay the top part of the wig down a bit. I would say go in and tie it down so that it can get nice and flat. But I didn't tie it down. I just put a little bit and then just comb through. And you can see here I'm just using my brush and kind of combing back and then bringing it forward to give that more feathered kind of look. It would look even more feathered and really pretty if I did cut some layers in, but I did want to keep it simple and I didn't cut any layers. But totally would recommend to cut a few layers into the hair, just a little bit of face framing layers to make the wig really pop. And this is how the hairline looks up close. It looks really good. So yeah, this is how the wig just looks. I have not plucked it. I have not cut any lace off. I have not curled it, used a hot comb, anything. All I did was spray a little bit of water here because there is a little bit of a hump, but not that bad. I feel like if you tie it down, it'll flatten out. Like this wig, you don't really need any extra hot tools or anything. Like you can really put it on and go. I would personally cut some layers in and conceal the parting space just to make it pop out more. And I would also probably go in and pluck the hairline a little more, but for the most part it looks fine. And I just wanted to show y'all how it looks. Is basically like a throw on and go type of wig. The curls in the wig are really nice as well. So yeah. Okay, dolls, so this completes the look of the hair. Let me stand up so I can show y'all how it looks. So this is her. She falls nicely. I will have all of the specs listed down below for y'all. This is how the curls fall, and let me show you the back. This is how the hair falls on me, and like I was saying, I would go in and layer the hair for me personally, and also pluck a little bit more. But this wig is really pretty. It's super soft. The color is giving black, like more so. It's not really giving like 1B. It looks a little darker to me. But yeah, it's really pretty. And first out of the box, it's just giving to say that I didn't have to do any work at all. I did do it completely glueless. I didn't use any glue, any hairspray, anything like that, and it still looks good. It fits nice and snug, so I don't feel like it's gonna slide off. But you can always use like a wig grip band if you are worried, if you want to wear it glueless and you want to make sure that it's not gonna move. But yeah, it's really pretty, and I feel like the curls will last really well also. But yeah, super cute. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.